This podcast is sponsored by ScienceBasedLearning.com. Discover a passion-driven language learning system that combines ebooks, audiobooks, and videos with the science of spaced repetition. Maximize your learning and retention today at ScienceBasedLearning.com.
The difference between aún and aún. In Spanish, a clear explanation for English speakers. When learning Spanish, small details such as accents can change the meaning of words significantly. One common source of confusion for English speakers is the use of aún with an accent versus aún without an accent. Both words are pronounced similarly, but their meanings and uses are quite different. Understanding this distinction will help you improve your reading comprehension and speaking skills in Spanish. One meaning and use of aunas with accent. Aún with an accent primarily means still or yet. It is used to express the continuation of an action or state that remains true up to a certain point in time. Examples. Aún estoy estudiando para el examen. I'm still studying for the exam. Aún no ha llegado el paquete. The package has not arrived yet. Aún quedan muchas páginas por leer. There are still many pages left to read. In these cases, aún functions similarly to the English word still, indicating that something is ongoing or has not yet changed. No meaning and use of aún without accent. Aún without an accent typically means even. It is used much like the English word even, either to emphasize a surprising element or to express inclusiveness. Examples. Aún los expertos cometieron errores. Even the experts made mistakes. No pudo terminar la tarea, aún con ayuda. He couldn't finish the homework even with help. Aún el más pequeño detalle es importante. Even the smallest detail is important. Here, aún serves to highlight an unexpected or remarkable aspect, much like the word even in English. 3. Exceptions and special notes. Sometimes, aún without an accent can be replaced or accompanied by the word incluso, and it often appears in conditional or concessive phrases. Aún si llueve, iremos a la playa. Even if it rains, we will go to the beach. Notice that, in this context, aún without an accent introduces a condition that might be surprising or contrary to expectations. One helpful tip: when you can replace the word with todavía, still, use aún with an accent. If you can replace it with incluso, even, use aún without an accent. 4. How to remember the difference. Aún está still, yet il accent. Aún even is for no accent. Think of the accent as a marker of continuity or persistence, still. Without the accent, the word emphasizes surprisal or inclusion, even. This small mark can change the meaning completely. 5. Summary. Aún with accent means still or yet and talks about something ongoing or not finished. Aún without accent means even and is used to emphasize a surprising or inclusive element. Try substituting todavía for aún and incluso for aún to check your choice. By paying attention to this accent, you will avoid misunderstandings and express yourself more clearly and accurately in Spanish. For more detailed grammar lessons and tips for Spanish learners, learn more at ScienceBasedLearning.com. Enhance your Spanish skills and get your copy of comprehensive guides and exercises designed to help you succeed. Understanding the difference between aún and aún in Spanish for English speakers. Learn the key differences between aún, still, and aún, even, in Spanish, complete with examples and tips to avoid confusion. Spanish grammar, accent marks, Spanish learning, Spanish vocabulary, language tips, Spanish for English speakers, Spanish grammar basics.